DaaS not only gives an organization an ability to get out of that device procurement, providing, and provisioning game, but also helps them simplify their administrative and support tasks that go along with supporting that user base. We tend to see, I believe the number is about a 60% reduction in the cost of supporting a user base who are leveraging a VDI or a DaaS solution versus a traditional client computing solution with thick clients and VPN. In that same situation, you can see a 20 to 30% reduction in the cost of administering those users, right? So where do those numbers come from? Well, on the support side, having lived that life myself many years ago of being a support specialist, in the private sector for a financial organization, one of the things that was a challenge was all the time spent going out to actually get physical hands on devices in order to do the work that needed to be done to correct issues, to troubleshoot issues, to assist users. So by consolidating where our people are doing their work all into one centralized cloud location and ensuring that they're working off of a modern platform, that's half the battle right there. It's also not insignificant to think about that consolidation, not just in terms of bringing all of our people together to make it so that they're more accessible from our IT team, but ensuring that there's a universal user experience now. If you're in the office on Monday and working from home on Tuesday and in a branch location on Wednesday and back in the office on Thursday, it doesn't matter if you're the CEO of the company, the CFO, the IT director, an accountant, or somebody in custodial services, you are accessing all of the applications, all of the resources, and the things that you need to do your job the same way. Same way, the same location, the same applications. So what that means from a support perspective is it really now simplifies the way that we support our users, because not only is their user experience universal, but the way we provide support to them is universal as well. So those first couple questions that you get when you call into the help desk of, who are you? Where are you working today? What kind of device are you on? What does your internet connection look like? Many of those things can go away and be simplified and streamlined to provide an overall much streamlined approach to support.